is Yadwini, number matrix 262971. Now I will start for the introduction, which is diverse interpersonal needs within a group. This is because we need each other, and it becomes more important in understanding the individual diversity in small groups, which are composed of individuals with diverse interpersonal needs. According to the Theory B, the interpersonal need that individuals seek to satisfy when they belong to three groups, which is inclusion, control, and affection. Now I will start for the first area, which is inclusion. These are the 10 characteristics associated with the interpersonal need. Now let us see for the 10 characteristics. There was distinction, recognition, attention, participation, involved, association, acknowledgement, contact, belonging, and acceptance. For the inclusions, this need indicate how much you generally include other people in your life and how much attention, contact, and recognition you want from others. Inclusion is about you in relates to group, whether small group or large. Sometimes in a group, you want to be included in the activity, and at times you don't want to, especially with people you don't know very well. The third slide that we can see, individuals have different needs for inclusion, and this could be largely influenced by culture and co-culture. And down there you can see for the inclusion continuum, they have separate for the three areas, which is under social, and over social.
Okay, hello and hi everyone. So my name is Nur Shardami Tiarzali, 2618229. I'm from group 6. So for today, I'm going to explain some part from chapter 8, individual diversity, which means it is about control and also affection. So we are going to move. Okay, so this is about control. Okay, the first of all, actually, there's some characteristics that associate with this interpersonality, which is control. Some of the characteristic, it is power. You can see here power, leader, responsible, authority, consistent, and also directive, manager, and there's more than it actually. So what is control actually? Control is the power where you can influence or direct people's behavior, and also it can means that how much you can influence and also the responsibility you want actually. It is can be a one-to-one relationship. Okay, so you can see down there is the control continuum, which is there's a we can see there's a control continuum down there actually. So let's move on the next one. It is okay. For the next one is I'm going to explain about affection. So okay, this is a characteristic that associates with this interpersonality, which is affection. You can see here we have personal, open, sportive, closeness, empathetic, warm, and also affirming. Yeah, this one is some characteristic that is associated with affection. Okay, so what is affection mean actually? So affection actually means disposition or a state of mind or body that actually often associate with the type of feeling or love. And we can see that affection also means that how close or warm you are with others actually. So down there actually we can see the affection continuum. Okay, so that's all I think about control. Some explanation about control and also affection. And okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shazana. So I will continue with the dominant and submissive personality. Firstly is dominant. Dominant personality type are based on the goal-oriented, which is the person focused on achieving a particular aim or result. And also, this type of person are very competitive. They have desire to surpass others. Usually, dominants speak in declarative sentences and often to ask a few of questions. For example, in the group, he starts of the person will be dominant and stand out compared to others. In addition, the volume is also a little louder than average and they use confident body language. People with dominant personality type also relatively impatient and like to controlling. They want to be powerful and can influence others. They also want any information fastly so they can make any decision that they want. We move to the submissive personality. It is someone who willing submit to the authority of someone else. They are also concerned with the fact rather than emotion. In any conversation, submissives are serious, direct and formal rather than dominant personality. They have a service-oriented mindset. They are more to introvert rather than show their ability to others. Other than that, they also lack capability to make their own decisions.
Hi, my name is Ga Ying, and now I will discuss for the next dimension for interaction with other, which is friendly and unfriendly. So, for the friendly person, they will talk and listen well equally, and they are easy to talk with and appears to seek equality between his own idea and those of the others, and they does not seem competitive, which they will show they are humanistic, flexible, and more adaptable, and they will also appear to become a good listener. Lastly, the value democratic decision making. Besides, for the unfriendly person, they are very negative. They will disagree a lot of things and seems unapproachable and indifferent. And also, they will rarely make eye contact with the person who is speaking to them. And when they are speak to other, and they will also not making any eye contact with the person. Next one is they seems to prize his own sufficiency, appears just concerned only with his own self-interest. Lastly, has a continuing need to dissent from group's opinion.
Hi, my name is Nurul Najih binti Shamsuddin and my matric number is 263088. So I will explain to you about analytically controlled vs emotionally expressive. The analytical personality type is very deep and thoughtful. They are serious and purposeful individuals. They set very high standards, so they have very high standard of performance, personality, and professionally. Analyticals are ordered and organized. They also tend to have that really dry but witty sense of humor. Analytical strengths are that they are perfectionists. They want things done right and they want them done right at the first time. Our bodies are hardwired to feel emotions. Whether we express them or not is our choice. Feeling sadness, anger, or joy are natural response to all the events our brains process every day. Throughout history, emotions have played a big role in human evolution. So we can learn this type of emotionally expression in diverse personality within a group.